Hmm. Well, here's a random dude. There's me. There's Pansy. And there's Kaito. It got smashed. Don't mess with my cookies. Yeah. Better not mess with my cookies. I'll come hunt you down. Well, here's a paintball nuke. Some random gun. If you're wondering what this big thing is, well, yeah. This is like shoots these paintball nukes right here. Yeah, that's the Pansy. There's me. There's a random dude. That looks a lot like my brother. There's Kato. You should probably now because. This is mozzarella. I kind of wanted to draw it because some people just don't know what it looks like, so I had free time on my hands, so I figured, why not? Well, that's introducing the mozzarella. Also, another thing I wanted to show. Cookie shooter. Yep, that's right. Shoots cookies. How awesome is that? Like, seriously, it's just cool. At least to me it is. I don't know. It's amusing. It's awesome. This is another part. Yay! Other things in this is, yeah, just kind of random. I don't feel like showing you everything. So, Goodbye.